This is the Jackery FridgeGuard. Let's get started. Inside the box, you'll find the Jackery FridgeGuard, an AC charging cable, a vertical stand, and the product documentation. 1. Get to know the unit. On the left are the heat vent, main power button, and LCD screens. On the right are the heat vent, AC input, and AC output. There's also a DC expansion port on the top of the unit. One button controls everything. Press it once to power on. Press and hold for 3 seconds to power off. 2. The display. Press the power button to wake the display. In the center, you'll see the state of charge. A lightning icon indicates the unit is charging. In the upper left, you'll find the input power and estimated time to full charge. In the upper right, you'll see the output power and estimated remaining runtime. If an F code appears, refer to the user manual. When the UPS icon is displayed, backup protection is active. The Wi-Fi and Bluetooth icons show the connection status. The icon along the bottom indicate TOU, AC output delay, battery pack status, and DC input. 3. Charging. Fully charge the unit before first use. Option 1. Wall charging. Plug the AC charging cable into the AC output, then connect it to a wall outlet. The lightning icon confirms the unit is charging. 4. Placement. Place the unit on the floor or mount it on a wall. Method 1. Floor standing installation using the included vertical stand. It's very simple, just 3 steps. 1. Remove 2 screws from the bottom of the unit. 2. Align the mounting holes on the bottom of the unit with the holes on the vertical stand. 3. Tighten the screws clockwise. Once installed, the unit will stand securely on the floor. Method 2. Wall-mounted installation using the wall mount bracket. For wooden walls, you'll need an electric drill, a stud finder, a screwdriver, and a marker. Remove 2 screws from the bottom of the product. Securely attach the upper and lower mounting brackets to the back and bottom of the product, respectively. Use a stud finder to locate the wall studs. Mark the mounting point on the wall. Drive the wood screw into the wall, leaving a 2 to 4 mm gap between the screw head and the wall. Hang the product onto the screw vertically. Drive the self-tapping screw through the mounting hole in the lower bracket into the wall and tighten it. Finally, fully tighten the wood screw. For concrete walls, you'll need a hammer drill, a wrench, a screwdriver, and a marker. First, unscrew the 2 screws at the bottom and attach the top and bottom mounting brackets to the back of the unit. 2. Mark the installation points on the wall. Using a hammer drill with an 8 mm masonry drill bit, drill a hole approximately 70 mm deep at the mounting point. Insert the expansion bolt, then loosen the nut by 2 to 4 mm. Hang the unit vertically on the upper expansion bolt, then mark the lower mounting point on the wall. Remove the unit. Drill a hole at the marked mounting point and insert the second expansion bolt without the nut or washer attached. Hang the unit on the upper expansion bolt. Lift the unit slightly. Align it with the lower expansion bolt, then lower it as it seats securely on the bolt. Tighten the nut. 5. Powering your fridge. Once installation is complete, you're ready to power it on. It's as simple as 2 steps. Step 1. Plug one end into the AC input on the right side of the unit and the other into a wall outlet. Step 2. Plug your refrigerator into the AC output on the unit. Turn on the unit and it's ready to go. When the UPS icon is displayed, the UPS mode is on. 6. Expansion. Need longer runtime? Just add a battery pack. Double the capacity, from 1024 watts to 2048 watts. Before connecting, turn off both the main unit and the battery pack. Then connect them using the expansion cable. 7. Connect to app. Connect to the Jackery app to unlock even more features. Download the Jackery app from the App Store or Google Play, or scan the QR code in the user manual. Then sign in or create an account. Power on the unit. The Wi-Fi and Bluetooth icons on the display will begin flashing automatically. Select your device in the app to pair via Bluetooth, then follow the prompts to connect to Wi-Fi and unlock all features. 2 features are especially worth highlighting: Delay AC Start lets you set a delay before AC output is restored after a power outage. Once utility power is lost, the unit temporarily disconnects power to your refrigerator. When the delay expires, AC output is restored automatically. The second is TOU, Time of Use Mode, which helps reduce electricity costs. Charge the battery during off-peak hours, then power your refrigerator from the battery during peak rate periods. Jackery FridgeGuard. Power that stays on.